A tweet from Devendra Fadnavis. Swati, we've been talking about it. This is the tweet, the message that we were all discussing. He says, Modi hai to mumkin hai. Ek hai to safe hai.
So that clearly has resonated. And we have our reporter Arunil joining us in the broadcast. Arunil, when Battenge Katenge, that pitch came in Maharashtra, both the allies Ajit Pawar and Eknath Shinde shied away, but they supported Ek hai to safe hai. Today, Devendra Fadnavis once again, emphasizing on Ek hai to safe hai.
Well, that is right, Swati. Basically, both these statements, one was by UP CM Yogi Adityanath basically saying, Batenge to katenge, and then the statement by PM Modi, Ek hai to safe hai. That basically resonated for the Mahayuti across the state of Maharashtra. That's what it seems like. Particularly, Ek hai to safe hai statement by PM Modi.
But how will the Samajwadi Party respond to this tweet? Because they've been very bitter about this slogan. Faizan Kidwai is with us. Mr. Kidwai, what do you make of the results and the response by Mr. Fadnavis? He says, Ek hai to safe hai.
See, the kind of response Bharatiya Janata Party and its communal team has got in Jharkhand, where it went full throttle with all the communal rants. I'm sure you all remember that Hemant Biswa Sarma was talking about Irfan, Alam Ansari ka nahi hai. The Prime Minister was talking about ke beti chura le jayenge. To these gentlemen, the people of Jharkhand have said, "Okay, guys, chill out and kindly pack your bags and get out of here." So, and you should remember, it was Jharkhand where Bharatiya Janata Party came out with an advertisement which was so misleading, it humiliated the opposition and dehumanized the entire Muslim community. Even kids were not spared. So, Bharatiya Janata Party has got a very strong message from Jharkhand that these communal rants wo...
But then what is the message from Maharashtra to the people of the NDA? Back up and don't come for the next 5 years.
Sorry.
Data we have got. No. Batenge to katenge. Mr. Bhandari, Pradeep Bhandari, आप कह रहे हैं एक है तो सेफ है, महाराष्ट्र में क्या हो गया? एक है तो साफ हो गया.
मेरे लिए कह रहे हैं, मुझसे
नहीं,
महाराष्ट्र में तो हमारी
बीजेपी जवाब
से ज्यादा सीटें आई हैं एनडीए के. जी मैं कह रहा हूं महाराष्ट्र से लेकर उत्तर प्रदेश तक एक है तो सेफ है, सब कह रहे हैं. और मैं आज समझ सकता हूं कि उद्धव सेना और समाजवादी पार्टी आपके पैनल पे काफी बौखलाए हैं. मैं इनको जलेबी थोड़ी भेज दूंगा. हो सकता है जलेबी खाने के बाद में थोड़ा सा इनके शब्दावली में मिठास आ जाए. अभी इनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि ये क्या कह रहे हैं. तो इट इज अंडरस्टैंडेबल देयर बिटरनेस. Coming to Jharkhand, Pranesh, if this trend continues, we are not the party like the Congress party is, which will blame the EVM, which will blame the election commission, which will blame the voters, which will call the voters as communal. Absolutely not. We'll go to the drawing board. We'll study where are the areas which we could have improved. But mind it, across the state, what I'm trying to establish, whether it is Haryana or Maharashtra, a pro-governance vote is happening. And this is where the Prime Minister always say, it's a vote for Vikas and Ek hai to safe.